Hi, so this is another video. This is me doing my own nails this time. So I have done all prep on my nails and then I'm going to start my design. So I started off with applying Glitter Planet's pre-pinched stiletto tips. They are amazing. I have a discount code for their website which I'll put in the description box. But here I'm just applying a yellow acrylic to the tip of two of my nails. I'm really sorry, I have just brought some new coloured acrylics, but these two colours that I'm using, I have no idea who or where they're from. They just have no name on them. I know the pink one I mixed myself, but again it was in a pot that I had no idea. There was no name on it, nothing. So I'm kind of doing a fade with these two. So I'll just let you watch me apply the yellow and then I'll come back when needed. So once I've applied that, making sure it's very thin because we are going to cap these nails, I then come in with this pink and I place it down and I'm like, yeah, it goes absolutely fabulous. But then as soon as I start blending, you'll see I instantly regretted it. I thought, what on earth am I going to do here? It was going all into my yellow, just looking bitty. So I was panicking for a split second. I felt, should I just wipe it off? But I didn't. I stuck with it, and the end result is, I love it. So, but yeah, here I'm just blending that pink, or trying to blend that pink into my yellow. So once I'm happy with those two, I let them two set while I go onto my baby finger, and I'm going to do a smile line here. So once I'm happy with that, I went on to my pointer finger. I just want to say that when you're doing a design like this on a client, it's best to put a thin layer of acrylic down, just so you've got something to file back to when they come back for a redesign. But as it was my nails, I just didn't bother. So here I'm blending those two pink and yellows together, just trying to make little stripy design, but I wasn't too happy about it in the end, so I put some foil over the top, but I'm just thought I'd leave the clip in for you to see, so I'll let you watch this. So once I've done that, I let that to set, and then went back to my baby finger. I filed my smile line to make it nice and crisp and even, and then I went in with the pink on the tip, and then I added yellow and blended it into the pink, and then I added pink and blended it into the yellow. So I'll let you watch. So yeah, just make sure you get that acrylic or glitter right into those wings. So next I do apply some glitter. I apply it into the places that on my nails that I think needed it, just to soften the blow. Is that the word for it? But that is by Indigo, and I think it was Fairy Dust. And I thought it worked perfectly with this set because it had a gold, well, a yellowy goldy shimmer to it, and it was pink, so it just it matched so well. So then I come in with my clear acrylic, which is CJP's crystal glass, and cap all these nails, making sure that my apex is in the right place, because these are extremely long nails, so if you don't have that strength there, they are just going to snap off. So I'm building my strength up with my clear acrylic. So once those are dry, I then come in with my file and I refine my shape. You know, you don't have to do much with these tips because it's already done for you. So for any of you that are struggling with your shape, get these tips. It will help you out 1000%. So yeah, I'm just bringing those side walls in, making sure that it's nice and pointy and crisp and sharp, because we all love those sharp nails. I'm digging my fingers into my hands as we speak, and they are sharp as you like. Give it a day, they'll be blunt. So make sure you do them nice and sharp so it limits the bluntness in a few days. Was me filing my nails, I use the Saeyang K35, making sure that my cuticle area is nice and flush. Here I am just buffing my nails nice and smooth. Then I washed my hands and I come in with my gel top coat, which is CJP's Top Glass, and I coat all the nails in this, and then I go into my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I then applied cuticle oil. I added some little gems at the end, but I didn't catch that on video, and that is my set done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe if you don't already, and until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.